Maya Chen was the only human student at the Galactic Academy of Xenosciences. As an exchange student from Earth, a planet only recently invited into the interstellar commonwealth, she was a curiosity at best, a target at worst. "Look at those pathetic limbs," Zorkthal whispered loudly in the Academy's dining hall, his 6 appendages rippling with mocking laughter. The Vexorian's scales shimmered with smug superiority as his friends drool. A crystalline luminar, and Pax, a gaseous aerolite contained in a hovering environmental suit, joined in. "Such fragile bone structure," Droll chimed in, her crystalline body refracting light into painful patterns aimed directly at Maya's eyes. "I heard humans break if they fall from even modest heights." Maya kept her head down, focusing on her nutrient tray. After 3 months at the academy, she'd grown accustomed to the mockery. Her species was considered primitive, barely spacefaring, technologically stunted, physically unimpressive. Earth was viewed as a backwater planet, its gravity weak, its atmosphere too nitrogen-rich to be considered ideal. Professor Xandar approached their table, his ancient Chronosian face creased with anticipation. "Students, I have exciting news. Our xenobiology field trip has been approved. We depart tomorrow for Sol 3. "Earth?" Maya's head snapped up. "We're going to Earth." "Indeed," the professor confirmed. "It's time my advanced students experienced your homeworld firsthand. The Commonwealth Science Council believes understanding Earth might help us better integrate humans into galactic society." Zorkthal's upper appendages twitched dismissively. What could possibly be educational about visiting such an underdeveloped world? "You might be surprised," Professor Xandar replied cryptically. The next morning, the class boarded the Academy's sleek transport vessel. Maya sat alone as usual, but couldn't suppress her excitement. After months in the sterile, perfectly regulated environment of the Academy, the thought of breathing Earth's air again made her heart race. 23 hours later, they entered Earth's orbit. The Academy students pressed against the viewports, studying the blue-green world below. "So much water," Pax commented, their gaseous forms swirling inside their containment suit. "How inefficient." As they descended through Earth's atmosphere, Maya noticed her classmates shifting uncomfortably. "The gravitational pull is stronger than expected," Dreel observed, her crystalline structure vibrating with the effort of maintaining cohesion. "Standard gravity compensators will adjust," Zorkthal declared confidently. But when the transport doors opened on a windswept meadow in Wyoming, the compensators proved woefully inadequate. Zorkthal took one step and immediately collapsed, his 6 limbs buckling under Earth's gravity. Drool remained frozen by the entrance, her crystalline matrix crackling under the strain. Pax's containment suit whirred loudly, struggling to maintain proper pressure. Only Maya stepped out comfortably, breathing deeply of the mountain air. "Professor," Zorkthal wheezed, "something is malfunctioning. The gravity is crushing me." Professor Xandar, himself, moving carefully with an exoskeletal support system, smiled knowingly. "Nothing is malfunctioning. This is standard Earth gravity, approximately 9.8 meters per second squared. Quite rigorous compared to most Commonwealth worlds." Maya extended a hand to help Zorkthal up. The Vexorian stared at her in disbelief. "How are you? Standing so easily?" he gasped. "I grew up here," Maya replied simply. "My muscles, bones and cardiovascular system developed under these conditions." As the day progressed, the alien students struggled with each activity. A light hike left them exhausted. Earth's atmospheric composition, which Maya breathed effortlessly, required supplemental filters for her classmates. When an afternoon thunderstorm rolled in unexpectedly, Maya guided everyone to shelter while explaining weather patterns her classmates had never experienced on their climate-controlled worlds. That evening, as they huddled around a campfire Maya had built, Another revelation to students from worlds where open flames were historical concepts. The mood had shifted dramatically. "I don't understand," Drell said quietly. "Your technology is primitive, yet you thrive in conditions that are debilitating to most sentient species. Humans don't just survive here," Professor Zandar explained. "They evolved here. Their apparent physical limitations are actually remarkable adaptations." Zorgthal, still struggling to sit upright, looked at Maya with newfound respect. "You left this world to study among us, living in conditions completely foreign to your biology, away from everything familiar, and never complained once." Maya smiled as she poked the fire, sending sparks dancing into the night sky. "That's just another human trait, I guess. We adapt." The next morning, no one mocked her fragile limbs or inferior biology. Some things they'd learned don't need 6 arms, crystalline composition, or gaseous form to be remarkable. Sometimes, the most impressive ability is simply enduring, adapting, and thriving against the odds.